Welcome to KonnectzIT tutorials. In this video, we are going to explore how Google Sheets and Switchboard Canvas can be integrated. Coming to Google Sheets, it is an online spreadsheet program. Coming to Switchboard Canvas, it is an API-driven image and video creation platform. Now the task is how to create dynamic images with Canvas templates. Right now, I am in KonnectzIT dashboard page. Before going to workflow, we need to authorize the applications. To authorize applications, navigate to apps page. Now search for Google Sheets. Hit on that application. Hit on add account. It is an auth based authorization. So here we need to select the particular account. And then we need to give access for the application. So hit on continue. This is how we need to authorize Google Sheets. Now search for Switchboard Canvas. Hit on that application. Hit on add account. To authorize Switchboard Canvas, we need API key that is present in Switchboard Canvas account. Go to your Switchboard Canvas account. So click on view your API key and copy the post key and come back to KonnectzIT account. Then you need to paste here. Then hit on yes, continue. This is how we need to authorize Switchboard Canvas. Hit on create connects. It takes to the visual builder. Here we need to build the workflow. First give the workflow name. Now search for Google Sheets. Drag and drop Google Sheets. Select your particular account and choose the trigger, that is new row in a sheet. Choose the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet name is image URL. So go to your spreadsheet. Here I have already created some column with title and image URL. So go to your KonnectzIT account, then select your particular sheet. Then you need to hit on test and review. Select the particular fields, then hit on proceed. Choose your account. So it is the important step. So we need to add trigger. Hit on add trigger. For select event type, we need to change from on open to on change. And for failure notification setting, we need to change from notify me daily to notify me immediately. Then hit on save. Again select your account. Then hit on advanced. Hit on the link. Then you need to give access for the application. So hit on allow. So now the trigger is added here. Then minimize the page. The data is also captured now. Now search for Switchboard Canvas. Drag and drop Switchboard Canvas. Choose the action, that is generate image. Choose the template. To create template, go to your Switchboard Canvas account. Under template, hit on create a new template. We need to give the template name and then you need to click on OK. By using the sample template formats, we can create the template. So right now I have already created the templates. So we need to select the particular template. So go to your KonnectzIT account. Choose the template and mention the height of the image. And now you need to map the fields from Google Sheets to Switchboard Canvas. So for be a good, we need to map from Google Sheets, that is from title field. So backdrop, we need to map the image URL. So map the URL. Then you need to hit on test and review. Is the data sent to Switchboard Canvas? Now search for Google Sheets, drag and drop Google Sheets, choose your account, choose the action, that is create spreadsheet row, and now choose the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet is Switchboard Canvas URL. So go to a spreadsheet. So here I have already created some columns with title, image URL and thumbnail URL. And go to your KonnectzIT account again, choose the sheet, and now you need to map the fields from Google Sheets and Switchboard Canvas to Google Sheets. So we need the title and the image URL, and to get thumbnail URL you need to hit on plus icon in Switchboard Canvas, and you need to select the URL field, hit on OK. So you need to map the field from Switchboard Canvas to Google Sheets now, that is the URL. Then hit on test and review. Is the data sent to Google Sheets? Go to a particular Google Sheet. Yes, the URL is captured here. Go to KonnectzIT, then hit on publish, hit on OK. So this ends your integration process. And to double check whether the workflow is working properly or not, go to your spreadsheet, go to your trigger spreadsheet and add another one row, and go to your action spreadsheet. Yes, the data is captured here. Just open the URL. Yes, the image is generated here. This is how we need to integrate the Google Sheets and Switchboard Canvas. Thanks for watching the video.